This is going to be the first part of a tutorial which I'm doing on Billie Eilish's Bad Guy. Right now, this is a really hip tune. It seems like all the horn players are doing covers of, but at PlaySaxNow, we want to go that extra mile and not just play the cover, but teach you how to play the cover. So this is sort of Bad Guy, you know, and look, I am going to be unashamedly, I'll be referring to my notes here as I actually do this cover, but let's just get the groove in with that click. So, Bad Guy. Now that's the first part of Bad Guy. So without further ado, I just want to quickly break down the first part. And don't worry, the other videos are coming. But I want to break it down line by line by line. And basically, I've split this up into 5 sections. You'll see why. Now this is the A section, which is probably the easiest one to learn because we've got, basically, there are 5 notes, right? But this first section, which has got that groove, it's just got 3 notes. So this is what I call the A section of Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. So it goes like this. So I would say that's A1. That's just bum 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 bum. And you do the dance bum 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 bum. Right? So you do the dance, right? So that bit, that B end, you know, which is kind of, you know, difficult. And again, I'm making the mistakes deliberately because, quite frankly, if you guys are just starting out to learn this, you know, I don't want you to feel bad for yourselves. You know, so I'm making the mistakes so that you don't feel bad when you make the mistakes. So this last bit is just. So let's cover the first part of that groove, that bum 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 bum. So this is simply G G G G G G E A G G G G G G E A, and if you're on the alto saxophone, that's your lowest G to your E to your A, right? So let's just do that bit, just that bit, just that little bit. So it's like a. So it's. 3 times, right? 3 times, just 3 times. That's all you need to do it for. Now, after that, you're coming to that like a coda or something, you know, which is bum 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 bum, right? So it's the same thing. So you got. So you got that G there. You're starting the F sharp. So after that, that bum 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 bum. That's the reason why I'm singing this. You should sing it too, right? Don't just watch me sing it. You should sing it too. So. So it's F sharp, G, F sharp, D. So it's. So you put the E in. So I actually misled you a bit, but let's go through it slow. It's F sharp, G, F sharp, then E, D. E just slips in, right? E, D sharp. So that's the first part of that Billie Eilish groove. Now I'll try to play that whole groove, right, again, like almost like perfectly for you to get it. Now, if you've got questions or anything, put the questions in the box, because I'm actually building this over a week for you to get what is called, one song mastering, just one simple song, which is Billie Eilish's Bad Guy. Then I'll also give another video with instructions of how you should do this, because quite frankly, you shouldn't start here with the sax. You need to start by singing it, so you actually get the groove. Then you should go to the sax, but that's a whole other story. Let's get back to it now. So that's just the first part. Now there are 5 parts, but what I want you to do is go back and practice this first part, because this first part, right, once you've got this groove, then we'll add to it and add to it and add to it. Now this is all part of some stuff which you're going to be doing in one song mastery, but I want you to get a demonstration of how this works. So I've just taken a very simple thing and I've broken it down. Now, previous videos before, videos after this, if you're going through my playlist, will show a guy playing the full cover. Don't worry, there are 2 different guys there playing the full sax cover. I will break that down for you, right? But I want you to just start here with just the first groove, right? And getting that first groove and actually just putting your questions into YouTube. We're actually having an interactive lesson here. Even though right now, right, you may not have seen me before, you may not understand me before. By the way, my name is Tolani. I can use the one. I put this at the end of the video because people don't care about my name in the beginning, of PlaySaxNow. So go out and don't just play your sax now, but play this groove now.